Welcome to our unboxing video of the Blackmagic ATEM SDI Extreme ISO from Blackmagic Design, the ultimate live production switcher for professional video producers. The ATEM Mini SDI Extreme is a newer version of the popular ATEM Mini series of live production switchers by Blackmagic Design. Alright, let's get straight into it and open up the ATEM Mini SDI Extreme ISO box. I'm just as excited as you are to see what's inside. Here it is, the moment of truth. As we lift the lid, we're greeted by the ATEM Mini SDI Extreme ISO nestled securely in the packaging. It's always nice when companies take that extra step to make sure their products arrive safely. We'll get a closer look at this beauty in just a moment. But before that, let's check out the accessories. And here we have the external 12 volts DC power supply. It's compact and comes with international socket adapters, making it convenient for users around the world. No need to worry about compatibility. Just plug it in and power up your ATEM SDI Extreme ISO. Having a reliable power supply is crucial, especially when you're out in the field or working in different regions. Blackmagic Design has you covered with this thoughtful inclusion. Just look at this! The metal body not only adds a touch of premium aesthetics but also ensures durability in various production environments. Whether you're in a studio or out in the field, the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO is designed to handle it all. Now, let's turn our attention to the back of the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO, where all the magic happens. One of the design choices that I really appreciate is the placement of all the inputs and outputs on the back, keeping the front panel clean and user-friendly. Alright, let's take a quick look at the size of the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO in comparison to a device many of us are familiar with, the iPhone 13. Now, keep in mind that the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO is designed to be compact and portable, making it a fantastic choice for on-the-go productions. As we conclude this unboxing experience, let me share my impressions. This robust and compact switcher undeniably revolutionizes live productions, providing cutting-edge features within a conveniently portable design. The metal body, the neatly arranged inputs and outputs on the back, and the intuitive front panel controls make it clear that Blackmagic Design has put a lot of thought into creating a versatile tool for content creators like you. If you're as excited as I am about the possibilities that the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO brings to the table, stay tuned. In upcoming videos, we'll be putting this beauty to the test, exploring its features, and demonstrating how it can elevate your live productions. So, get ready to share your stories, showcase your talents, and connect with the world in a whole new way. Happy streaming and happy creating!